Hunyuan 3D 2.5 introduces groundbreaking technology that allows you to turn a simple image into an animated character. Imagine taking your favorite sketch or photo and bringing it to life within minutes. This version integrates AI tools that not only simplify the process but also enhance your designs with smart surface reduction. Gone are the days of struggling with complicated menace. Let's be honest, the UI in earlier versions could feel like navigating a maze. However, the revamped interface in Hunyuan 3D 5 is 2.0 sleek and user-friendly. You can now easily input images or prompts to generate models. It's like having a professional assistant guiding you through every step, allowing you to focus on what matters most. With Hunyuan 3D 2.5, you can finally say goodbye to overly complex modeling processes. The new features let you preview your models in real time using various views like rotation, clay view, and texture visibility. So, you can check how your design looks from every angle without any hassle. It's all about making your design process smoother and more accurate, helping you realize your artistic vision effortlessly. Imagine crafting a 3D boy model complete with a backpack that's not just rigged, but looks incredibly detailed. Hunyuan 3D 2.5's advanced system allows for automatic rigging with precise joint placements, which is a game changer for animation. This means you can tackle more complex designs while ensuring each character moves fluidly, perfect for enhancing the overall quality of your animations. Want to bring your humanoid models to life? Hunyuan 3D 2.5 integration with Mixamo means you can bake animations directly into your characters. This eliminates the hassle of searching for animations elsewhere. You have everything you need in one convenient platform. Plus, the new Noodle workflow lets you rig non-standard models, providing versatility that artists crave. Creating your models is only half the journey. Exporting them smoothly into other tools is just as crucial. With Hunyuan 3D 2.5, you can refresh your browser to view your models and download them in FBX or GB formats with just a click. This makes it incredibly easy to take your designs into software like Blender or Unity, giving you the flexibility to develop your projects further. Not only can you animate any 3D model quickly, but the smart texture generation tools in Hunyuan 3D 2.5 allow for personalized textures that fit your creative needs. You can reduce mesh density and create stunning textures based on your specifications, all in just a few clicks. This empowers you to present dynamic animations and professional-grade results without the tedious background work. So there you have it. Hunyuan 3D 2.5 is not just an upgrade. It's a revolution in 3D modeling. From transforming images into animated characters to providing powerful rigging and animation options, the features are designed to elevate your creative workflow. I encourage you to try these amazing features yourself. Dive into the world of Hunyuan 3D 2.5 and don't forget to share your creations in the comments below. Let's see what your imagination can bring to life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with fellow creators. Happy modeling!